What if I told you that you staring back in the mirror tomorrow might not actually be you at all? And no, I'm not talking about waking up after a long night and seeing a raccoon-eyed, bedhead zombie version of yourself. I mean literally not you. Imagine this. Every single neuron in your brain, those tiny little sparks that hold your memories, your fears, and the embarrassing thing you said in 7th grade that still haunts you at 3 a.m., all replaced, silently, perfectly, one by one, until nothing original survives. So here's the million-dollar question. Are you still you? Or just the best knockoff version of yourself? This is basically the Ship of Theseus problem. The ancient Greeks asked, if you replace a ship plank by plank until every single piece is new, is it still the same ship? Philosophers debated this for centuries. My personal stance, if it still floats, call it a ship. Unless it's the Titanic, then you've got a problem. But now it's not about ships, it's about you. You're basically a walking Theseus cruise liner, except instead of margaritas and shuffleboard, you've got anxiety, bad Wi-Fi, and student loans. Your body's already in constant renovation. Skin cells, gut cells, even parts of your skeleton. Your body is like a biological IKEA set, always being rebuilt, but somehow still missing a few screws. Which means that you from last year or even last week might not be the same you at all. That explains why past me makes salad and future me orders pizza at midnight. And then there's memory. Memory's not a filing cabinet, it's a terrible improv actor. Every time you recall something, your brain edits it, restages it, and makes it a little more dramatic. Half your childhood stories? Probably fan fiction. You think you were the hero of your school play, in reality you were the tree. So maybe identity isn't solid. Maybe you're not one fixed person. Maybe you're just a story, a glitchy audiobook your brain keeps narrating. And some people get epic novels, while others get BuzzFeed quizzes. Me? I'm pretty sure I'm just a choose-your-own-adventure book where all the options lead to nap. And here's a fun twist. What if infinite versions of you exist, each with the same memories, the same bad decisions, the same tendency to forget your Netflix password? Just imagine a multiverse of yous all arguing over where the pineapple belongs on pizza. So maybe there is no real you. Maybe you're just a really convincing illusion. A dumpster fire with Wi-Fi. But hey, at least you're your dumpster fire. If you're just an illusion, then commit. Be the mirage that drinks milk straight from the carton, argues with Siri like she owes you money, and steals snacks from kids' birthday parties. If you're not real, at least you'll be unforgettable.